Welcome to the secret guide to mastering the comforting and protein-packed dish with 0-3 variations. Egg curry, a delightful symphony of flavors and textures, is a staple across many South Asian cuisines. For this delicious Indian dish, you'll need eggs, vegetable oil, onions, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices. From hard-boiling the eggs to preparing the flavorful gravy, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Learn how to control the spice level, choose the best eggs, and handle them with care in the curry. Explore exciting variations like the North Indian dhaba style, the South Indian delight, and the addition of eggplant to the gravy. Discover the surprising health benefits of this protein-packed dish, from being a complete protein source to contributing to heart health and immunity. With a little practice and exploration, you can master this comforting and customizable dish. So put on your apron and embark on a delicious journey into the world of egg curry. Visit www.dailynecessities.in for detailed recipe.